Five Little Owls.
Five little owls on a moonlit night. Five little owls, they are quite a sight. Now have you been keeping score? One flew away, then there were four. Four little owls resting in a tree. Four little owls as happy as can be. One owl hooted with lots of glee. He flew away, then there were three. Three little owls looking at the view. Three little owls calling out, hoo hoo. A wind came up, a wind it blew. One flew away, then there were two. Two little owls playing one on one. Two little owls having lots of fun. One owl flapped, that owl spun. He flew away, then there was one. One little owl as the moonlight shone. One little owl sitting all alone. Hoo hoo, he cried, my friends do roam. I wish that they would all come home. And they did.